uMeyiwa wombuso ecaleni lokubulawa kaNozidi weOrlando Pirates utshela inkantolo ukuthi akulona iqiniso ukuthi kunabantu ababengazi ngedokodo lesibili ngecala lokubulawa kaMeyiwa.
No one can assert that they were not aware of the existence of this docket. It was also extensively canvassed in cross-examination by Advocate Tefo.
Uphendulile uMeyiwa womsolwa wesihlanu Advocate Mshololo wathi kuyiqiniso futhi kubhalwe phansi ukuthi umqondisi wezokushushisa wasikhipha isinqumo sokuthi babekwe amacala bonke ababesendlini ngosuku lokubulawa kaMeyiwa.
The Director of Public Prosecutions for the Gauteng Local Division of the High Court of South Africa, who prosecutes, my lord, for and on behalf of the state, hereby informs the Honorable Court that the following people, the names, my lord, I read into the record. And I'll jump in names, my lord, and go to the second page wherein it says, are guilty of the following crimes. That's a decision, my lord.
Kuke kwaba nokujikijelana ngamazwi phakathi ka-Advocate Tefo kanye nomehluleli.
Our fight, Advocate Tefo, is when you repeat things that are already common knowledge.
Your Lordship, I'm not fighting with you, and I will never fight with you.
I'm also not fighting with you.
Maybe the word fight is wrong.
Yeah.
Can you withdraw the fight? Because I'm not fighting.
Kuke kwaba neziwombe la obekubonakala khona ukuthi umehluleli uchifiwa Mawumela uhluthukelwe inhliziyo.
You too, I don't know what you are testing in me. I don't know. What manner of demeanor is this?
I'm trying to help the court.
But you allow your friend to drag this court out of its course, only later to say you want to help.
No, my lord, I apologize for that. I understand.
Dragging down because he's delaying us.
At the future date, what the plan is
uKheli Khumalo wadubula ngephutha uMeyiwa kubo eFosloras eGoli ngomhla zingama-26 kuMfumfu wango-2014. Kuleli dokodo kwakhishwa isinqumo sokuthi bonke ababesendlini ngosuku lwesigameko baboshwe bese bethoswa amacala afakwa phakathi ukubulala kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho. Isibhamu okubika ukuthi sasetshenziswa kulesigameko siwuhlobo lwe-revolver nokuyisibhamu okuthiwa safika nolongwe thwala. Njengamanje kunamadoda abhekene necala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa nathi abhecwa njengobende inyama engayidlanga. Labo nguSifiso Kuhle Ntuli, Muzika ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya, uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi, uMthobisi Prince Ncube kanye noMthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa. NginguCalvin Dludla, weZindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.